Hello, kids. I am Billy the Bill of Rights. You may be wondering, what exactly is the Bill of Rights? Well, I am the first 10 amendments to the Constitution of the United States. Do you recognize this document? Yes, that's correct. This is the Constitution. I was created by these handsome men, James Madison, Alexander Hamilton, and John Jay. I was later ratified on December 15, 1791. Wow, it's been a long time, don't you think? The Constitution did have several problems. The Anti-Federalists thought that this document did not protect individual rights. So, during the ratification, I was created to protect the rights of all people. What rights, you may ask? Well, basic rights, such as freedom of speech, religion, assembly, and so on. The First Amendment talks about the freedom of speech, assembly, religion, petition. This means that you have the right to speak, write, and have your own beliefs. The Second Amendment talks about the right to bear arms. Now, no. It's not about a bear. It's about you having the right to own a gun. The Third Amendment talks about you not being required to house soldiers. Now, this is something that happened during the American Revolution, where soldiers would just go into people's home without any permission, and people didn't really like this. So this is why this amendment was created. But the Fourth Amendment protects you from unreasonable searches in your belongings, such as your backpack at school or in your own home. Now, they have to show you a warrant signed by a judge in order to do a search in your home. The Fifth Amendment is about you not being put in jail for the same crime twice. This is also known as double jeopardy. It also has the right for you to refuse to testify against yourself. The Sixth Amendment of the Bill of Rights is about you having the right to a lawyer and know who your accusers are. The Seventh Amendment says that you have the right to a jury trial. Now, once you're 18, you will be sent to jury duty, and you must attend, or else you might have some consequences if you don't. Now, I know this is a lot of information, but we still have 3 more amendments to know about. The Eighth Amendment protects you from cruel punishment, for example, being sentenced to death. Now, this is scary, but at least we know that this amendment protects us from crucial death and excessive bail, such as $9 billion, which is something very crazy. The Ninth Amendment is given to the people to have their own rights, such as equality and justice, and so on. So the Ninth Amendment is reserved to the people. And the 10th Amendment is given to the states. So each state has their own laws that is different from the federal. So for example, speed limit is one. California's speed limit is different than Arizona's and Texas and Oklahoma's, and so on. Now, these are the 10th Amendment of the Bill of Rights. And remember, I was created to protect your individual rights so that you could live happy and safe. Till next time, my friends, and remember to not allow no one to search your home without a warrant signed by a judge. Till next time, bye!